DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian with a master's in nutritional science, and today we're talking about how to make your smoothies more creamy. So these are some ways to thicken your smoothies and really make them taste kind of like milkshakes. First off, add yogurt. I like to use Greek yogurt because it's going to be thicker and it's going to make the smoothie a lot creamier. You can also use vanilla yogurt, which again will kind of taste like vanilla ice cream. But of course there are raspberry flavor and all different types. Greek yogurt's going to be a little more tart, but certainly that thickness is going to kick up the creaminess. Now we have milk. So your liquids will add that creaminess as well. You can get like a vanilla almond milk, a vanilla soy milk, or just use regular milk, even whole milk if you needed to. And that. Now you can go the high fat way, which as a dietitian I don't always recommend, but the good old fashioned throwing in a scoop of ice cream is definitely going to make your shake and smoothie creamier. So you can do that, or if you want to keep the fat down, try some frozen yogurt, and that will make it creamier without all the fat. You can also add some instant breakfast as sort of powder, or even some dry milk, and that will make the smoothie a lot more creamy as well. So keep those things in mind. The less liquid you use in general will make the smoothie a lot thicker, and some of these tips are going to make it creamier. So that's how you make your smoothies creamy. I'm Lisa DeFazio. Check out my website, lisadefazio.com. I will see you guys next time.